This is a Willibald mobile organic processor hard at work. It is the ideal state-of-the-art processing plant for anyone shredding wood waste, yard waste, food waste, or other organic materials up to 18 inches in diameter at rates up to 50 tons per hour. Designed specifically for composting, the MZA series processor from Fecon Incorporated offers some unique benefits unavailable with other traditional grinding methods. With the Willibald system, you can expect greater production through greater throughput, lower operating costs, increased versatility, added mobility, and greater forgiveness to contaminants not found in other systems. The machine even grinds high moisture content materials like grass, leaves, shrubs, tree trimmings, and partially rotted compost with virtually no downtime. The secret is in the unique design. Our horizontal feed system ensures an even flow of material through the machine. This controlled feed allows higher volumes of material to be processed than traditional grinding. The MZA 2500 is constructed of an abrasion-resistant steel. The rugged, open-topped feed hopper incorporates angled sides that direct material onto the self-cleaning conveyor floor. This variable speed line transports all materials to a massive pull-in feed roller. A hydraulically operated roller with multi-tooth design floats directly on the feed mass, pre-crushing the feed stock and aggressively pulling it into the grinding chamber. Inside the grinding chamber, forged hammers swing through a series of comb-like countercutters. These specially cast hammers weigh 7 pounds apiece, and due to their wear-resistant metallurgy, typically last over 80 hours in a mixed yard environment. 4 work-hardened steel shafts are fitted with 12 hammers each. These hammers can be easily replaced by 2 people within 1 hour. To protect the MZA 2500 from extreme materials, a spring-loaded counter rake is provided. Rock, metal, stone, steel, or other contaminants, which are inadvertently fed into the machine, cause the spring to release, allowing the foreign material to pass through without damage to the grinding mechanism. The 360-degree rotation of the hammers heightens the forgiveness to contaminants. The downward motion of the rotor discharges shredded material toward the ground so that it is far more likely to be contained within the work area. This safeguards site personnel from errant material. Shredded material is discharged through 3 guide plates to form a perfect windrow. The highly oxygenated material is ideal for composting, with maximum surface area for the attack of microorganisms. Varying sized output adds stability to the pile and allows for better air retention, thus keeping the microbes alive longer and speeding the decomposition process. Elongation of the windrow is accomplished by pulling the MZA forward. This can be done while the machine is running, so there is no loss of production. This one-step process eliminates additional material handling required of traditional stationary grinders. An optional attached stacking discharge conveyor allows the loading of trucks, rail cars, or the building of higher windrows. At less than 6 feet, our low feed height allows the loader operator to see into the feed hopper and retrieve any foreign materials before they enter the grinding chamber. In addition, smaller loaders may also be used, reducing overall system costs, along with standard loaders' capacities. These unique features allow the MZA to operate at about half the cost of a comparable tub grinder. Other than the clearly marked lubrication points, there is no daily maintenance required. In addition, there are no hammers to inspect, flip, or build up on a daily basis, nor are there screens to blind over when processing wet materials. At less than 8 feet wide and under 30,000 pounds gross vehicle weight, the MZA is easily transported without a special permit. This increased mobility allows the Willibald to function as a separate profit center for contract grinders. Cities can easily service even the most remote corners of their municipalities with the MZA. The machine can be transported onto or away from any job site within 5 minutes of operating. With the optional wireless remote control, only one operator is required to load and operate the Willibald and build a windrow. Hundreds of Willibald shredders are in use throughout the world. Designed in Germany in the early 80s, the machines are now manufactured by Fecon in our modern Cincinnati, Ohio plant. Local service and support is provided through an extensive network of authorized representatives and distributors. When you consider the versatility, increased output capacity, lower operator costs, forgiveness to contaminants, mobility, and durability of the Willibald, you'll see why it is the #1 choice for shredding organics at large-scale compost sites around the world.